Hello and welcome again. We want to modify this code so that can work for us. We want it to turn on and off pin number 13. So we will go here and remove this, right 13, remove this, right 13, remove this, right 13. So here we are assigning number 13 pin to be as an output. Here we send it high, then a low, so it will turn on, then off. Now if we verify this code, as you can see, it's verified and done compiling. Now we want to get our hex file. This is the tricky part. Now first you need to go to let's say sketch and show sketch folder. This is the folder where you have the original code, not the folder where you have the hex code. So after examining the hex folder, we need to go to to find the hex file, we must go to our main partition, which is C in this case. Then go to the users directory, go to your user, in my case MSI, then search for a folder called app data. If it's not visible, you must go to view and show hidden items. After that it will be shown. Then go to local. After this, search for the temp folder. I know this is not easy, but you need to memorize this. After that, search for the Arduino build. Once you go here, you will find that there is a hex file with the very same name, as you can see, blink. So it's blink.ino.hex. You just need to load this to your Proto simulation. As you can see, this file. In the next lesson, we will load it to our Proto's Arduino module. Then we will run the code to see how it works. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering Team.